Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about how we can take a screenshot from our PC with a very simple method. So let's start the video. So you just need to go to the search bar and type snip, and you will see there is an option of snipping tool. Just click on that and a new tab will open in front of you. Now let's suppose you are working on something and you just need to take a note or screenshot of anything. You just need to open snipping tool and click on new. Now you can see there is a plus sign in front of you that is moving along with the cursor. So you can have an idea that how big or small part of a screen you want to take out. You just need to click and select the area which you want to take out. When you are done, a new tab along with the screenshot will open in front of you. When you are done, a new tab along with the screenshot will open in front of you. You just need to click on save button and it will be saved. One more thing that you can also point out or mark anything on the screenshot. You can also copy that and paste it while you are sending an email to someone. So that is a very simple and useful method for you to take screenshots. Thank you guys, that was it for today's video. If you want to learn more things like that, then please just subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time we upload a new video. See you in the next video.